It's shout out Sunday and I've got mail. So if you want to see who I'm giving a shout out to and who I got mail from, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am giving shout outs and showing off my friend mail. My first friend mail ever. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about things that you might be able to use in your own home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's get into it. This is my first ever friend mail. I was so excited to get it, and it came from Liz at Home Decorating with Liz. So she's my first shout out, and Liz, thank you. It is just so kind of you to think of me. I was just blown away that someone, especially you, thought enough of me to send something out, but I'm glad you did. So let's take a look at what's in the box. Now, it's not a true unboxing because, trust me, I could not wait to open it. So it has been opened. I've examined everything in the box, but I put it back in so that I could show all of you. So it opened up. There was this pretty little rose on top, and I just thought how nice. She knows how much I love flowers, so that was certainly very intuitive of her to put that rose in there, because I love that. But this was what I didn't know. I'm like, how did she know I loved notebooks so much? This is just a cute little notebook that says Discover. And it's just blank ruled pages. But I always keep a notebook in my handbag, just tucked in one of the pockets, in case I want to jot down some information, some video ideas, things I need to remember. And I was like, how did she know? So this was in the box. And then the other thing in the box was this cute little journal. And it's a woman's devotional. It's got 25 different devotions and this cute little pen that goes along with it. And the hand on the box is even that of a black woman, so I thought that was kind of cool. And I just thought how sweet. So I'll certainly get some use out of this. There's also a 2019 planner, and you guys know how much I love planners. And Liz apparently knows that also. And it's in the flex style, which I do enjoy. And it's small enough to tuck into my purse. So even in this stage of putting everything in the cell phone, I still like to write down things on pencil and paper. So thank you, Liz. And then there's this little goodie bag, and it's chocked full of things. And look how pretty it is. It's like a suede. This teal color is just absolutely gorgeous. And look what's in it. Look at this little fluffy heart. Isn't that adorable? And it will look perfect on my planner. So thank you, Liz. It's just beautiful. And I do like these nice little embellishments that I can put on my planner. I can put them on and take them off as needed. So thank you. This will certainly get good use. And then a little package of tissues for happy tears. Right now it's going to be used for allergies because I'm snuffling like crazy. And then she's got some little individual miniature size hand sanitizers, and I do enjoy using those, especially when I go out with my husband on the water. Well, I'll just say I need hand sanitizer, whereas some fishermen may not. I need hand sanitizer. So I'm glad to get that. Here's her note that she wrote to me. I am not sharing that. And then look at these cute little butterfly pics. So they'll be great that I can use in some of my planning projects or some of my home decor projects, my DIYs. And this is one of the best parts. When she did her summer kitchen vignette, she had one of these chef magnets in it, and I commented how adorable it was. So she went out and got one for me, and I just love it. So this is definitely going to find a place on my refrigerator, if not in my summer vignette. And then of course I can use this makeup bag for a number of different things. So Liz, thank you so much for thinking enough of me to get me this set of goodies. Now, if you're not familiar with Liz at Home Decorating with Liz, please check her out. She is such a kind person, as you can tell, and I've gotten to know her as one of the YouTube sisters in the community that we're building, and so I do appreciate her thoughtfulness. And she does all things home decor on her channel. You will really enjoy that. She does hauls, she does some vlogs, she does DIY, and more. So if you're into home design, home decor, you'll love what Liz does over there. So check her out and subscribe. Now let's give you the shout outs that I have. First of all, I want to give a shout out to my #1 subscriber, and that is Nicholas White. Nicholas watches every video that I put up, and he always leaves a kind comment. So Nicholas, thank you. It is so important to know that there are people out there that value what we do. Now for the YouTube channels that I want to highlight this week. And I do want to say I got this idea from Miss V. She does a thing where it's who's that YouTuber, and she does it sometimes on her Funny Friday, and you'll have to guess who the different YouTubers are that she's talking about. And I thought I would like to do something to highlight small YouTube channels as well, and this is the way I decided to do it. So the first one that I'm giving a shout out to is Lots Home and Office, and it's one of my peers in the Video Ranking Academy. And what they do on Lots Home and Office is tool reviews and DIY. But the DIY is how to do stuff around the house, how to fix things, how to build things that you might want your honey to do. So it's like I said, honey, you need to look at this channel, because there was lots of things on my honey-do list that he could learn from watching this channel. So painting and remodeling is their big thing, and then they kind of show you how you can do some smaller things along with that. So ladies, if you want your hubby to take care of some things around the house, this is a good channel to get them introduced to. So again, that's Lots Home and Office. The next one that I want to highlight, and it's another one of my sisters from the Video Ranking Academy, and it's Mary's Nest. And Mary's Nest is a cooking school, and I tell you what, she is just so comfortable. It's kind of like she's a modern day Martha Stewart, only she's much more comfortable, much more pleasant, I'll say, than what I get from Martha Stewart. She has a much more warm vibe, and I think you will love her. And she's showing how to make some really good things over there. First of all, yogurt, how to make homemade yogurt. But she also tells you how to make those basic things like stock, chicken stock and beef stock, and things that we use in cooking all the time. And she has on a new apron every single day. So I think you will enjoy what she does over there as well. So check out Mary's Nest. She is the home cook's resource. Now the next channel that I want to highlight is Organized by Darcy. She says it's home organizing made easy. And her channel is all about home organizing. Darcy says that God gave us a home to live in, and it is up to us to take care of it. And she believes that keeping it organized is one way to do that. So she does organization of the linen closet, master bedroom closet, and just all kinds of spaces in the home. And you will love her. And again, she's very comfortable, very thoughtful as she goes about showing you how to organize your home. She doesn't make you feel bad because you're a hot mess. So definitely check her out. Now the next one I want to highlight is the honeysuckle housewife. She's a young housewife and a stay-at-home mom. So you'll find information about her children, her home, her garden. She loves a lot of the things that I like. So we have a lot in common. Only she's a young housewife and I'm a mature housewife. But she's got some really cute videos and I love the way she presents some of them. Her thing is she's a southern stay-at-home mom that loves food, drinks, and pursuing happiness. So please check her out. And then one of my other ones, one of my favorites is my sister, Miss V. And she is one of my peers in the hashtag iamacreator community. And V just does all kinds of things on her channel. She does hauls, she does DIY, she does self-care, she does pay it forward, she does just share love. She does all kind of creative things on her channel. And she is the kindest, sweetest person that you can ever imagine. What she's presenting on YouTube has got to be her real persona because it's just warm and inviting. So please check out Miss V. So those are the people that I wanted to give shout outs to this week. Stay tuned next week to see who's on my next list for Shout Out Sunday. And my question for today is, what part of today's video did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another day of Vlogust.